prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Vijay as on 31st October 2005. Now students, again in this case, overdraft is given to us, but this overdraft is as per passbook. Again the concept is same. Overdraft signifies negative balance. Since it signifies negative balance, it will appear in the minus column and we will write it as overdraft as per passbook 80,000. Now students, we are given balance as per passbook and we are required to find as per cash book. So I have mentioned it here for necessary workings. The second cause of difference mentioned here is interest charged by bank rupees 10,000 not recorded in the cash book. Now since it is an overdraft, bank has charged 10,000 rupees as interest. That means we have taken a loan and bank is charging rupees 10,000 as interest, and this is not recorded in the cash book. Now since bank has charged something, that means bank has reduced our account balance. Bank has taken out 10,000 rupees from our account, so consequently the passbook shows a lower balance, hence the minus sign as compared to the cash book. Now cash book shows a positive sign here and we are required to find balance as per cash book. Passbook is already given to us, so we are required to find as per cash book. Since it shows a positive sign here, this entry will be recorded in the plus column and would be written as interest charged by bank rupees 10,000. Now coming to the second cause of difference that is mentioned here, that is a check of rupees 20,000 received and sent to bank but not recorded in the cash book. Now remember, I have circled word not recorded in the cash book, and it has been further clarified that this check has been credited by the bank. Now students, this is an error by our own accountant. That is, we received a check of rupees 20,000. That check was sent to bank and the payment has been received by bank. As is clear from this word, credited by bank, that means bank has received the payment. But he failed to record this entry in the cash book. He did not record this entry in the cash book, but the bank has received payment. Since bank has received the payment, the passbook shows a higher balance as compared to the cash book. It was not recorded, so cash book shows a lower balance. Cash book shows a negative sign here, so this amount of rupees 20,000 will be recorded in the minus column as check received and deposited but not recorded. Amount is rupees 20,000 in the minus column as shown by this sign in under the cash book column. So minus 20,000. Coming to the fourth cause of difference mentioned here, it says checks of rupees 40,000 were deposited but only 25,000 were credited. Now students, in this case you had received checks of rupees 40,000. You have duly deposited them in the bank account, but till date only rupees 25,000 have been credited by the bank. That means there is a difference of rupees 15,000 and we need to record this entry, or we need to account only for rupees 15,000. Now since we had received checks of rupees 40,000, that means the cash book shows a higher balance of 40,000 as compared to 25,000 that have been received by the bank. That means the passbook is lower by rupees 15,000. The passbook shows a lower balance as compared to the cash book by rupees 15,000. Since the cash book shows a positive balance here, positive sign here, so this amount of rupees 15,000 will be recorded as checks deposited but not credited 15,000 in the plus column here. Now students, totaling it out and finding the balance or the overdraft as per the cash book. What we'll do is we'll total out the negative side. It comes to 1 lakh here. The positive side shows a balance of just a total of just rupees 25,000. Since the total of the negative column, that is 1 lakh here, is higher than the positive side total, that means it is overdraft. Again repeating, since the total of the negative side is higher, it shows an overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. And what would be the balance? 1 lakh, that is the total here, minus 25,000, it gives us 75,000, and the total would be 1 lakh on both the sides.